Days after the Virginia Supreme Court removed former Judge Kurt Pomrenke from the bench, Pomrenke learned he will spend time in prison for a separate criminal contempt conviction. Good evening, I'm Sarah Diamond.
I'm Josh Smith. A fellow judge delivered the decision in federal court in Abingdon this afternoon. It follows really an intricate case that began with the conviction of his wife in a federal corruption investigation of Bristol, Virginia utilities. Community watchdog Nate Morabito has followed every chapter of this case now for more than 2 years. He was in court today when Pomrenke actually apologized and then learned his punishment.
Pomrenke apologized to the judge before his sentencing, saying, quote, "I'm deeply sorry I'm here in this situation. I was completely wrapped up in my wife's situation. Nothing was ever meant to disrespect the court. I'm sorry," end quote. But in the end, a federal judge sentenced the former Bristol Juvenile and Domestic Relations Court judge to 2 months in prison and ordered him to pay a $1,000 fine. Pomrenke's attorney requested only a fine for his client, citing the man's community service, lack of criminal history, and what they called deep and permanent punishment he's already received from the public and his peers. A judicial misconduct case reviewed by the Virginia Supreme Court focused on Pomrenke reaching out to possible witnesses ahead of his wife's corruption trial. Earlier this week, the Virginia Supreme Court removed Kurt Pomrenke from the bench in that judicial misconduct investigation. Well, as part of an effort to try and clear his name in that case, Pomrenke violated a court order by sharing evidence with the agency investigating his judicial misconduct. The judge said, motivated by selfish reasons, Pomrenke, a man who should have known better, undermined the rule of law and should be punished accordingly.
We're very satisfied with the judge's decision. We think it sends a clear message, not only to Mr. Pomrenke, but also to others, that this type of conduct that truly hits at the base of our justice system won't be tolerated by anybody, and we're very happy.
Pomrenke will be allowed to self-report to prison at a later date. By the way, tomorrow marks 2 years since that federal judge filed the court order that Pomrenke violated, a decision that will now send him to prison for 2 months.
Nate Morabito, thank you. Pomrenke's wife, Stacy, is serving a lengthy prison sentence connected to the BVU corruption investigation. The U.S. Attorney's Office said that investigation, by the way, remains open tonight.